Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed this look here. If you guys want to see how I got this look, was able to achieve this look, keep watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment, talk back to me, follow me on Instagram, and let's have fun. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys have been doing really good. I'm looking super tacky right now, but it was between this or robe, and I was like, I'm gonna just put on a t-shirt, it'll be okay, whatever, however. But anyways, today we're gonna be doing just a quick makeup tutorial. I'm just gonna go ahead. I have to go out of town today, so I'm actually running late, and I was like, well, I haven't done a video in a long time. Let's go ahead and make a quick little makeup video, because I miss YouTube, and I miss YouTubing, so we'll go ahead and we'll get started. You see I'm sitting on the floor, so I feel like this is a cute scenery though. I'm in my living room, so I feel like this is cute, some natural lighting or whatever. I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna get started, okay? So I've already done my eyebrows off camera. Ignore my hair, just guys pinned up and stuff. It's gonna be cute though. But I've already done my eyebrows off camera, primed my face using the Caudalie Primer Cream Sorbet Hydrant Moisturizing Sorbet. I've already primed my face using that, and I've also already pre-moisturized my face with the Badescu facial spray, Rosewater. I love this stuff, and I have super dry skin, so it helps me like refresh my face while I'm doing my makeup, so it doesn't look too cakey or anything like that. And I think that's all I've done so far. My eyebrows are giving me ant vibes, but they're gonna have to work today. Wow. Okay, cool, let's get started. So we are going to go ahead and a tip that I do like to do is start with my concealer. Okay guys, so going in right here, I am going in with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Medium Dark. I'm gonna use the tip that I was gonna tell you guys about. So I'm gonna go underneath my eyes. I'm also gonna go along the side of my nose, and possibly the bridge of my nose, just to give myself a little bit more coverage. I only do this if I'm gonna be out for a long time during that day and wear makeup all day, or if I'm going out for the night and I just want my look to pop, honey. So right here, you just go and you blend everything in. You take the concealer wherever you like for it to go, but the main thing to remember here is to blend it in, because you are gonna go back over with another shade of concealer after your foundation, so you don't want to look cakey. Another thing here is concealing your eyes. If you're gonna use eyeshadow, you want to conceal your eyes, prime your eyes with some type of product if you want your eyeshadow to not crease and you want it to show properly. So I'm just going here, making sure all of that looks very good, very blended. Next, we're gonna go in with our Fenty Beauty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Foundation. I am using the color 460 for cool red tones. I have cool red tones. So if you have skin like me, if you think we have the same type of shade, I stand behind this product. Fenty products do oxidize, but I feel like it works really well, especially in the summer, especially when it's hot outside. You know, the foundation is not too overbearing. Blend, baby, blend. Now, I would tell you guys what type of brushes these are, but I have no idea. I got them from Amazon just to try them out, and I love them. All I know is that they're in my order history, and they came in about 30 in a pretty little container. So I just love these brushes. They work so well. So what you also need to do, if you're gonna wear an updo, or if you have short hair, you definitely need to go behind the back of your ears along that neckline, just so you make sure everything is as blended as possible. I'm telling you that it needs to be blended, because if you use that tip I told you guys about, and you use this foundation and then another step of concealer, you're just gonna look cakey, and nobody wants that. So right here, we're going to do normal concealer. We're going to go under the eyes. We're going to do the bridge of the nose. And we're going to also do underneath, on top of your chin. So with that Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in medium dark. There you go, Miss Mama. Blend that in. Now, although it can be frustrating having to blend so much stuff in, you know, sing a song maybe. It'll help it go back quicker. But you definitely want to make sure that you look pretty. So, you gotta look pretty, y'all.
For the home is recorded on 2 separate tracks, each one giving special emphasis to certain sections of the art.
And since I do like my nose to look more defined because of having more flatter nose, I only take my
to achieve a new dimension in sound, impossible to
I guess object that I'm using brush. I'm using my blending brush. I only go up and down, and then I blend it into the top of my forehead, into my eyebrows, because I like for a thinner nose. Now right here, I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Rich Earth to contour my nose and to contour my face as well. A good thing about the tip I told you guys about is you really don't have to contour that much because it already gives you kind of like a natural contour line, if you guys can see it. And that's the color Rich Earth that I was telling you guys about. I actually got this palette from like Marshall's for like $13, $14 last year, and it's amazing. I love it. I use it so much but it lasts so long, so it doesn't even look like I've used it so much, but I definitely have. Okay, so right here we're gonna actually start on our eyeshadow. So for our eyeshadow, we are gonna start with our Morphe palette. That Morphe palette is a 9C Jewel Proof palette. Starting off, we're gonna set our base with, let's see, Chocolate Diamond. Chocolate Diamond is dark enough to give you, for me, you know, that base, so that is just a set color. You don't want to do too much because I wanted this to be a subtle look. So doing the Chocolate Diamond just kind of makes it blend into my skin tone. Now, one of them I used a little bit too much, but that's okay because we're gonna blend it in. Okay, now we're next gonna go in with the Rock Out. Rock Out is kind of a brownish, sandy color. I think it gives it a hint that you need, just to bring those two colors together. And I also didn't show it, but I also used Rich Girl. Rich Girl, Chocolate Diamond, and Rock Out, they all give you this type of subtle, I want to be seen, but I don't want to be seen type of look. And that's my type of style. Just kidding, I'm super extra. But no, these all work together very well. Now right here, I'm just testing out. I was testing out with the Juvia's Place Magic Mini. But I ended up going with the Morphe again in Stone Fox. You cannot go wrong with the Morphe palette. Like, their colors are so pigmented. They do so well. And I feel like the adding that Stone Fox just pushed everything together. Now right here, I believe in blending it all together. Like I said, all of these colors work very well together. So just blending them all together makes all of it look so good. Okay, now right here, little thing for me and the dry skin galleys out there, Badescu Rosewater spray is what I was using at the time. I go in the middle of my foundations and I just refresh it, because even though I'm using a hydrating foundation, I did put on a lot of product. Sometimes that can dry out your skin. Now it's important to moisturize your skin, wash it beforehand, which I did, but just going through the process, I like to add in that refreshing spray just so it keeps your makeup looking you know, elegant and moisturized. You don't start to look dried out. I'm just adding a little bit of eyeliner here, just enough so that it you know, shows through my eyelashes that I'm about to put on. Now I'm gonna go in with the Kiss. I was using the transparent at the time, and I'm going in with that. Now, a tip that I learned from one of my makeup friends that works in MAC, he let me know, he was just like, you know, if you add in the glue before you put on the lash, and then add the glue to the lash, make sure it's a little tacky, you can't do it wrong. Now, sometimes, I mean, eyelashes are eyelashes and they speak for themselves, but, you know, it will allow for it to stay on your eye and, you know, be a little bit easier for you to apply it. Your own eyelashes. Told you they have marketing. Now, what I like to do, if I don't have on, like, fingernails, I still like to put on my eyelashes first with my fingers. And then make sure your hands are clean, of course, but then go in with the tweezer to make sure that it's on there and it's secured. Now for these lashes, I use these even. Oh, that was on right. I use these Longwear 3D Mink lashes in 01E. They are so cute. So I'm doing the same thing on the next eye. This little mama right here did not want to come home, but that's okay. We got her together eventually before we left the house. Alright, so now that we are coming together, I'm just going to make sure that in that beginning piece is a little bit more secured. It's already doing a little flyaway on me. And there we go. So right here, I am going in with the Maybelline Rocket Volume Express mascara. You know, just some regular mascara. Put it on the bottom just so my bottom lashes can match the long lashes I just put on. And right here, just going in and I'm blending. Y'all know I'm big on blending. So I'm blending everything together. No harsh lines. Nothing that I forgot to blend in. You know, if anything, if any like, you know, eyeshadow may have gotten anywhere, then you know, this will allow for it to just be blended in. Right here, this is my baby. I did show you guys that I didn't use it automatically. I went straight in with the Blush and Valley by BH Cosmetics. I used the pomegranate blush just to put on my cheekbones. That is going to tie in very well with the Fenty Beauty Ginger Gin and Mascara. I use both of those together. I just mix them together. Use it as a highlight. Put it underneath my brow bone, and it all looks like one thing. It just looks so good to me. I love that color. It just pops out so well. You see, I'm a Fenty fanatic, if you cannot tell. Actually, you see at the end that I ran out of my Smashbox, so I actually went and got the Fenty Beauty setting spray, and I love it. But right here, I'm going in with the Stalk'r Mocha bronzer. I love this stuff. I put it everywhere. It's so good. I stand behind it completely. Miss Riri came out with the girls. So right here, I went back in with the 9C Morphe palette in Fool's Gold. Just put it in the center of my eye. Just for a little added. And I'm back. Now I went and I got a lip liner pencil from MAC. Now this is a little bit older. It has scraped away a little bit, so I'm not even gonna lie to y'all and say I know the name of it, but it is kind of like a pink, kind of like a fuchsia color. I go ahead and I add it on there with some, and I believe later on I added some brown pencil. With that clear lip gloss, it gave me kind of like a pomegranate lip. So you know, my whole face. Now me right here, I'm just blending in some more, making sure everything is put together. And last but not least, that Smashbox I was telling you guys about, I'm setting my face. So just trying to spray it on there. I eventually got it out, and then I went back in with Badescu facial spray and Rosewater with Aloe, just for that refreshing spray. So I hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, comment